Welcome to this beautifully updated North Carolina home, where comfort, functionality, and outdoor living come together effortlessly. Situated on a spacious corner lot, this property offers the kind of everyday convenience and charm that makes a house truly feel like home. Meals at home. The layout is thoughtfully designed to create an easy transition between spaces, making daily living smooth and comfortable. With 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, this home provides plenty of room for family, guests, or flexible use. An additional bonus room offers endless possibilities, whether you need a home office, creative space, playroom, or extra lounge area. This home adapts to your lifestyle. Major recent upgrades, including a new roof, HVAC system, and heat pump, add peace of mind and energy efficiency. These improvements ensure the home is truly move-in ready, allowing you to focus on settling in and enjoying the space. Outside, the fenced backyard is designed for relaxation and entertainment. An above-ground pool with surrounding deck creates the perfect spot for summer fun, while the storage shed adds practicality. The generous lot provides privacy and space to unwind, garden, or host outdoor gatherings. This North Carolina home offers the ideal balance of updated interiors, versatile living spaces, and outdoor enjoyment, all in a convenient and desirable location. It's a place designed not just for living, but for truly enjoying life.